Hi guys, so continuation from the last video I uploaded, which is Alphabet's album. So if you want to watch, click here or something. So the second item I got was Teen Top Class Edition, the repackaged album to Teen Top Class. So I bought it all from Soompi and it came really quick because it like if you order things on Soompi, it comes with a tracking number, like registered mail, and the registered mail is actually really cheap if you compare to other country. If you compare to other stores that like have registered mail, it's actually really cheap. So here's the front. All members' autograph. The spine. And the back. So yeah, it comes with 7 songs, not 7 but 6, because Teen Top Class is more of intro than an intro song. So we have Loveful, Rocking, Don't I, Oh Good Day, Rockstar, and Teen Top Class. And I like this graphic thingy, I don't know why. So open it up. What's it called? Cardboard thingy, I don't know what it's called. And at first it came with this lyrics paper for the lyrics of Loveful. I haven't even really checked if like there is any errors with the lyrics in the album itself, so I don't know what it is for, but and I ordered it from Soompi, so Soompi gave this like message card with basically the same image on the cover, just yeah, and the back is the same image but it has like messages, and here's Ricky's one, Shinji's one, Nails, Cap, Eljo, and Changjo. And can I say how much I really like the texture of it? Like it's matte finish, sort of matte finish, but it feels really good. I really like the texture of it. And so yeah, so opening you first have this is the first page. It says Teen Top Class Edition. Teen Top, did I say Teen Top something? Sorry, Teen Top Class Edition. Sorry if I sound like sick or something, because I just spent like 4 hours talking, like recording like a passage, and I wanted to get like above 90 but I failed. So I keep like recording. So first I have Cat. Shinji. Nail. Eljo. Ricky. I say Ricky's getting adorable like Day by Day or something. And Changjo. And you have like the behind the scenes photo with, so it says Memory of Teen Top Class. It's recorded the 8th of August 2013. Music video in Core Kiri. Yup, Core Kiri, something like that. I don't know. I don't understand what is it, a place or what? I'm pretty sure it's a place in Korea or something. These are all really behind the scenes photos and the music video of Rocking. So sorry, I got interrupted by my brother, so. Okay. Shinji. No. Eljo. My finger feel really dark in this lighting. Mickey. Changju. So you have like a group shot. And this is Teen Top Class Edition. Teen Top. Yeah. I'm saying Teen Top. I don't know why though. So here you have behind the scenes of another like dance shoot. And here is 27th of August 2013, the showcase in Seoul. This is like the interview and there's something about opening. Yeah, opening. And the performers. I don't know why, but this picture really reminds just, you know, when fans took a fan cams or like fan pictures, they look exactly like. And the cap. Eljo. Neo. Shinji, but cap also needed for some reason. Mickey. And Changjo. And then you have 12th of September 2013, Guerrilla Date in Myeongdong. So, yeah. It's more like what he did over there. They really look like fan taken pictures, I don't know why. But in HD and more clearer, you can see the face clearer. I can't show that picture, it's too small and it's black and white. Black and white. And these are just like behind the scenes, like, oh, so cute. And you have the lyrics to these songs. You don't really need a lot of time to go through because lyrics is not really that important. Like, yeah, right, it is important, but if I don't know Korean, like if I don't know Korean, I won't really need them. Unless it's language right here said thanks to, then you need them a bit first. Thanks to so yeah, and then group shot. And a group shot. And you have their official websites, their Facebook, their Twitter, Me Today, YouTube, and Fan Cafe, and their website like tentop.co, Korea, and the GP one. Okay, I think this is really interesting one thing. Like for the official Facebook, right? Because there is one Facebook who has like the same name, but they are like fan. So that's like admin or something, and that admin one got like more likes and followers than the official one. So I think it's really interesting. And can I say this is a really bad thing? Like I followed the admin one, not the official one. I feel really bad though, but the unofficial one seems like and more interesting stuff going on, and the top media audition. Yes, I can read a bit of Korea, Hangul. Top media something you can do by emailing them and something else like this. And the back you have the credits, and here you have the CD itself, which says it's really nice. And wow, really choreographic, and just like the back, and that's the thing behind the CD. So yeah, so that's the album, and put this in. And as for the photo card, I got no, and no, it's not my bias in top. And actually, my bias is Hangzhou, even though most people can't tell because people always have to hide my bias. I don't know why. It sounds really fun though. So here's Snow, and okay, the back. So yeah, if anyone have Changzhou and wants, please contact me or my email or what. So yeah, so that's my I'm from Changzhou, so that's my unboxing of Tin Top's autograph Tin Top Class Edition album. So hope you guys like it, and bye. Yesterday my either any amp for buy or something. Bye.